In the last video, we gave we picked images from gallery and camera. So here now, let's create a dialog to let the user pick images, to give a user options to pick an image from gallery or from camera. Let's go on ahead and create that. Let's say void show image picker dialog. We can call it like that. Here, let's just show our dialog. Okay, let's format this a bit. In the builder, we know that it's context. Let's return our alert dialog. And then here, let's give it a title, which will be a constant text widget. Let's give it a title. Please choose an option like that. And then what else? Down here, let's give it the contents. So this will be in our column. The column will have children, and then in these children, let's the first child, let's first give it a row. This will be our first child. So here the row will have children, and then the first child, let's give it an icon, which comes from icons. This one will be our camera icon. Camera color, let's give it colors. Let's take our purple, and then what else can we give it? Maybe that's it. And then the second child, let's give it a text widget, which says camera. And then we can add a constant keyword here. We know that these won't change. Let's remove it from here and add it here. Okay, so let's just copy this row, or let's remove these errors. We close this one out, then we close this one out. Okay, the second thing is to inside this column we have children, which is this row, and the other one, let's copy this and paste it down here. So here we have our gallery icon, which is let's get an image, and then here let's say gallery, like that. And then now if we come back here, where here, let's show our dialog. What are we calling it? Show image picker dialog. Show image picker dialog. Let's copy this here also. Let's show it, and then let's hot restart. Let's click on it. There is our dialog, but it's still not looking the way we need it to look. So for that, let's go back to our dialog. here after the where we're putting the column here, we can say main axis size dot minimum. Let's hot restart, then let's click on it. Yes, that looks better, but let's improve it a bit. So this in this row, let's maybe wrap let's wrap this icon in with the padding widget. We can say 4 in odd direction. Let's also do the same here, 4 in odd direction. Let's hot restart, let's click on it. Yeah, that looks better. And then now the next thing to do is this row, we can wrap it into an the widget called inkwell widget, and then on top we can say, since this is a camera, so on top we say pick, what's our image, what's our method there, select image, so from camera we say true, and then down here we wrap this row again in an inkwell. Then on top here, let's say select image to false. This is a gallery. And then just like that, we have our dialog. Let's hot restart. So let's click on it. Let's try the camera. It's opening the camera, which is nice. Let's select, then let's select. Okay, so now we also need to dismiss this dialog. First, let's try the gallery. It's also going to the gallery. That's great. So now we need to dismiss the dialog. So to dismiss the dialog, where do we need to dismiss it? Here, after the cropping has happened, let's call navigator dot pop. This is going to pop our dialog, but we are having this error because we need to do it outside here. So let's create a method. Let's go it pop the dialog. Let's say pop the pick image dialog. Like that. Then let's cut this, paste it here. Then we can call our method here. Okay, great. Let's hot restart. And then let's try to pick here, pick here. Yes, the dialog is going away. So okay guys, so now we have fixed picking image, and then now we can also enter name here. Let's say enter. The next thing to do is to save our data to Firebase and then go to our main screen now. So that is the next thing that we are going to do in the next video.